Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Caddirect tutorial how to insert block. As example, I will create a block. We can draw rectangle, this, and then I will draw circle, point. Now you can convert these entities into block by using W block command. So we can save into external folder. And here you can select point at center point. Then for entities, you can select this all lines, all objects. Now you can check in convert to blocks. You can set for the block paths in it. You can click at this icon to set in folder. I will set the name example block Caddirect. Save. And then we use inch for the units. Click OK. Now I will delete this block. To insert block into this drawing, you can type insert, press enter. Now you can searching for block by clicking at this browser tools, and then use the last block that we create, example block Caddirect. This can click open and then click insert. Yes, we can insert into drawing area. Then press enter. Okay, that's it for basic Caddirect tutorial, how to insert block. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.